So one of the things that we're seeing in this place is they're all kind of looking the same, right? But the interesting thing is that almost everybody that I talk to works for the government, but absolutely nobody knows about that security compliance piece that that we've been kind of working through.
Hey everybody, this is Mark Constantino and
Jeff Stutzman.
And we're with Trusted Internet and MyCloudCure.com. And we're here today at the Vision Show in Boston at the Hynes Convention Center. And the reason why we're here is to network and meet interesting businesses that are in vision and technology. So Jeff, what are you excited about?
Oh, well, listen, first of all, I'm also with Wapak Labs, so as an intelligence provider here, this is one of the coolest things that I've seen in a long time. It's kind of something that's out of my specialty, so it's a bit of an education day as well. But the thing that I think is actually very cool are some of the high-speed imaging things, like this thing going on over here at Mitsubishi, and we've seen just a ton of it. There's another one going on over there at BitFlow. It seems to be there's probably 70 or 80% of what we've seen today is high-speed imaging. What do you think? What do you think is the coolest thing you've seen here today?
Some of the aerospace stuff I thought was pretty cool.
Oh, that stuff just
robots, drones, technology.
Yeah. So I see the robots and the technology in aerospace, and I start thinking the espionage threats.
Sure.
Because I'm a cyber guy, right? So how are these guys protecting the ability to control those things remotely? How are they keeping their intellectual property themselves? And one of the questions that I keep asking, and I don't know if you've had this experience, but one of the questions I keep asking is, listen, if you guys are working for the government, and they all are, have they prepared their cyber plans to make sure they're going to be able to continue to sell for the government? How many yeses have you heard to that question?
None.
Zero. Which I think is kind of crazy. These are local Boston companies. Maybe they're just too far from the flagpole in DC to really care. So
they certainly have a broad customer base.
They have a huge
certainly making a lot of money.
And most of these guys are OEMs and they're doing okay. There's been a couple that I've looked at that were small companies, but yeah, I mean, I think it's really cool. This one over here that you guys were looking at, the artificial reality with the open hand surgery, and I don't know if I'd let some doc do that to me, but it was still fun to watch.
Yeah, so we're at the Vision Show. We're learning about technology. We're here spreading some entrepreneurship and ultimately spreading the word of cybersecurity and of e-learning and technology. So it all is a perfect fit.
Awesome. All right, I'm going to head that way. You're going to head that way. We'll see you in the middle.
We'll see you soon.